Good morning, Lankrit and Tanu.
Morning, sir.
Yeah.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Last class we discussed about profit and loss. So next topic, that same topic continuation. See this question. Read this question and you read. I will solve. Okay. If the selling price is tripled, and cost price is doubled. Selling price is tripled and cost price is doubled. The profit would become 65%. What is the profit percentage? That is a question here. So like this question always, assume cost price. Assume cost price. Since if it is a percentage question, I am assuming always cost price. I told you 100%. 100 rupee I am assuming cost price. Selling price I don't know. Here I don't know selling price. But selling price is increased tripled. Tripled means 3 times. Here I have one number. It is increased 3 times. Then cost price is doubled. Cost price is doubled. Cost price becomes now, tell me how much doubled means. Cost price doubled means how much now it will be? 200, right or wrong? Cost price will be doubled. 2 into 100, 200. Now profit would become 65%. Now profit is 65%. Profit is 65% now means 65% of 200, that is 130 rupee profit. 130 rupee profit. Now 200 is the cost price, 130 is the profit. Then selling price becomes 330. Neeve heliga 330 rupees. Here I have one number. If I multiply with 3, I got this number. Here I have one number. I have number x. If I multiply with 3, then I got 330. Tell me what is that x value. Tell me what is that x value. Reply Madi. What is that x value?
Sir, 110.
Very good. It is 110. So 110 will be the selling price starting. 100 is the cost price. 110 is a selling price. Tell me here how much I got profit. Here how much I got profit. How much percentage again? How much first tell me? How much I got profit? 10 rupees?
10 rupees.
Yes. 10 rupees I got profit. 10 rupees I got profit on my investment, that is 100 rupee into 100, which means I got 10% profit. Is it clear? Right on. Right on this. 15th question number. Just you can write on. Clear now, Tanu and Alankrut and Chandana.
Yes, sir.
Chandana, is it clear for you? Okay, right on. Is it overwriting? Let me know once if it is
1 minute, sir.
Yeah, if it is overwriting, let me know.
Done, sir.
Okay. Next question. Same type question, but you read this question and try. Same type question. Same type. Just assume and you try. And certain item profit is 120%. If the cost price increased by 10%, then what will be the new profit margin? Very simple question. On certain item profit is increased by 120%. Profit is increased by 120%. If the cost price increases by 10%, then what will be the new profit margin? If I assume, shall I do it? Anyone? You try. I'm assuming cost price. I'm assuming cost price. Shall I assume cost price will be 100? Cost price will be 100. Then how much profit you got? 120%. Then tell me what is the selling price? If I got 120% profit, 120% profit, 120% of 100, 120 rupee profit. 120 rupee profit means what is the selling price? Reply.
220 rupees.
220 rupees is the selling price. Now my cost price, instead of 100, my cost price increased by 10%. My cost price is increased by 10% means now new cost price is 110 rupee. New cost price is 110 rupee. Now what will be the profit? So I'm selling 220 only. Okay, so cost price is 110, selling price is 220. Tell me how much profit? It is double. Yes or no? 110 is the cost price, 220 is a selling price, almost double. Means yeah, not almost, exactly double. Double means 100% profit. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 100% profit. 110, 220 means 100% profit. Right? That's your answer. That's it. Very simple concept it is. Right on. Over writing. After writing over, just let me know. Yes, it's over. Over.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Yeah. After over, let me know, because okay. See this question. See this question. You try. I will give 1 minute time. These all questions are some previous exams questions. Just you try. A manufacturer fixes his selling price at 33% over the cost of production. Tell me what you can assume, cost price or selling price from this statement. ಯಾವುದನ್ನ assume ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ? Always assume cost price. That is first thing.
Cost price.
Yes, cost price. If you assume 100 rupee, then selling price is 33% over the cost price. Then tell me what is selling price?
33.
33% over means 133%.
133.
Yes, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So 33% over means profit. Over means that is the profit. 30% got extra profit means that is the meaning, that 133. Now if the cost production goes up by 12%, cost production is increased by 12% means now cost price will be 112% or 112 rupee. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Also selling price is also increased by 10%. 10% increase means 110 percentage. 10% increase means 110 percentage. It is, I can write 112 percentage directly. 110% of this number, I don't want to calculate. 133 into 1.1. 110 percentage means 110 percentage means 0 get cancelled. 1.1. So cost price is 112, selling price is 133 into 1.1, because it is not, it is easy, not easy to take. I may getting the decimal number, so I'm writing like this. Now if I do this ratio, the difference of this number will be 21. 21, it will go 7 and 3. So definitely I can cancel with 7 ones. 7 how many times? 7 16 times. 7 how many times? 7 19 times into 1.1. If I remove 1 point here I will get a 0, which means 160 into, if I remove here, into 10, if I multiply, if I multiply here also I will multiply into 10. 19 into 11, 19 into 11, 190 plus 19. How to multiply 19 into 11? 19 into 11 always I will do like this, 10 plus 1. 19 tens are 190, 19 ones are 19. That will be 209. That will be 209. Tell me how much profit I got now. Reply all. How much I got profit?
49 rupees.
49 rupees profit on 160. 160 into 100. You only tell what is the profit percentage. Guess and tell. How to do it also I will explain already. Tell me how, what is the profit? What is the profit? I told you in previous class also how to do it profit. 10 percentage is 160, sorry, 100 percentage is 160, 10 percentage is 60. 10 percentage is 60. I want 49. 16 10 ones are 16 twos are 16 threes are 16 fours are, it is more, 16 threes are 48, which means 30 percentage is 48. Yes or no? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Just
Yes.
I want 1, then answer is very close to 30 percentage. Is it clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So like this only we have to calculate. Instead of doing 0 get cancel, 490 divided by 16, instead of doing that, this is the best method. I hope everyone understand this. Right on this. Is it clear, this concept?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Done, sir.
Good. See this question again. You try this question. I'll give it. Very simple, same type question. Same type question as it is. Same model we are doing this today. Man sells his goods at certain price, 20% of which is profit. 20% is which is profit. Okay, if the price at which he buys the goods increases by 10% and he sells them at 8% higher, then what will be the profit percentage? That's the question here. Be careful while doing this question. It is one of the main question in CGL. Think this question. Man sells his goods at a certain price, 20% of which is his profit, which is very important. Okay. Think. I will give you 2 minutes time. A man sells his goods. Now tell me, my question is, what number you will assume? Cost price or selling price? In this question. ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಎ ಸರ್ಟೈನ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್, 20% of which is profit. Now assume selling price. The meaning of that statement, see, ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಐಟಮ್ ನ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 500 ರೂಪಿಗೆ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 500 ರೂಪಿಗೆ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸೆಲ್, 20% ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. 20% ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ this is profit not on cost price. 20% already included in the profit. Selling price ಅಲ್ಲಿ 20% ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 400 is the cost price. Like that, if I assume selling price is 100, ಈ 100 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 20% ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಇದೆಯಂತೆ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಇದೆಯಂತೆ, then cost price is 80. Is it clear? Please reply everyone based on this statement. Based on this statement, 20% of which is profit. Is it clear?
Yes.
Very
Yes, sir.
important. So don't tell 20% of 80. This number is not based on cost price. They are not saying 20% of which means selling price is profit. So 20% of selling price is profit. 20% of selling price is profit. That is a statement of that. So I am assuming 100. 20% of 100 is equal to profit. They said 20% of 100 is 20 rupees a profit. So profit is 20. If I assume selling price is 100, profit is 20, cost price is 80. Is it clear? I hope everyone understand this. Reply all.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just a minute. Try now. I will come back. Just 1 minute. I will come back. You try. Others also try that. Now try. You try. Increase or decrease. You do it now. Either do increase or decrease, whatever they said, based on that statement. Now tell me what they're saying now. If the price at which he buys the goods increased by 10%, tell me now cost price is 80. Now my price will be increased by 10%. If the cost price is increased by 10%, what is the cost price now? Now cost price is how much? Tell me. 10% increase.
90%.
No, 10% increased means 10% of 80, 8 rupee increased. 8 rupee increased, which means now cost price will be 88. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Or 110% of 80. You can write it directly. You can write it 110% of 80. 110% of 80. Here number is easy. That's why I'm calculating. In previous question, number is difficult. I'm writing. See, based on number, I'm doing different method. I hope it is clear. In previous question, I'm writing 1.1 into that number, because that number is difficult to calculate. I'm getting decimal number. I don't want decimal number. Here number is easy. 10% of 80, easily I can get to know 88 it will be. Then sells them 8% of higher rate. Now tell me IAR rate means 8% of 100. Again 8% of 100. 8% of 100, again 8 rupee increase, which means 108 rupees is the selling price. Now tell me how much profit you got. Now tell me how much profit you got. Reply all.
20 rupees.
So 20
20
rupee profit. 20 rupee profit on 88. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Into 100. This can I write 4 5s are 422s are 4 5s are 422s are into 100. Into 100. Now this I have to do calculation. 10% is 2.2. 20% is 4.4. Answer is little bit more, 20%. So I have many options, either this or this. Let's check it because I'm very closed. 0.6 I want. 0.1% is 0.22. 0.1% is 0.22. Enough 6 beku. Then answer, maybe tell me what is answer. Reply all. What might be answer? What might be answer? This is your answer. This is your answer. Then how to, this is one way. Is it clear? Another way also I will tell. This is one way. Is it clear? One way.
Yes, sir.
Another way. Another way. Another way. 5 by 22. I want answer. What is 1 by 11 answer? What is 1 by 11 answer? 9.09 percentage. Then what is 1 by 22 answer means? Half of this. If I do double, see, very important. 1 by 2 is 50 percentage. 1 by 3 is 33.33 percentage. If denominator increases, value will be decreased. If denominator doubled, then value will be off. Value will be off. If denominator doubled, value will be off. For example, we know 1 by 4 answer. 1 by 4 answer is 25 percentage. Even we know 1 by 8 answer. 1 by 8 answer will be 12.5 percentage. If denominator doubled, value will be off. Value will be off. So 1 by 11 is 9.09 percentage. 1 by 22 is half of this number, 4.54 percentage. For approximately half of this number. I hope it is clear. Please reply all. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
4.54. 1 by 22 is approximately 4.54. So I want 5 by 22. I want 5 by 22. So multiply with 5 this number. Multiply 5 this number. So approximately you will get, solve that. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ just solve it. ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. 22 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ just ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಹಂಗೆ. Do it and tell. 22 something you'll get, not 21. 22 will get. 21 and
So 22.7.
Yes, 22 will get, not 20. Yeah, sorry, by mistake I'm writing here.
22.72.
Yes, 22 I'm reading. 21 alla, 22.7. Is it clear? 22 is answer, right? Not 21. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Write on this. Because here 0.66 means 0.20 percentage is 4.4. Still I have 0.6, which means 0.1 percentage will be 0.22. Then yes, 22 mele hogutte because I want 6. Yes, write on this. 22.7 is right. Write on this. $22.7 is right. I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Everyone understand this?
Yes, sir.
Same type question. You have to try. Same question as it is. See, same model we are doing today. You have to assume either cost price or selling price based on that. Here, what you will assume? Tell me. What you will assume? Cost price or selling price? That's my first question. See, based on first statement, you have to assume for the article the profit is 220%. For what? Cost price. Then what you will assume?
Cost price.
Cost price.
Then assume cost price. Cost price is 100 rupee. Then profit is 220%. Tell me what is the selling price? 220% of 100, 220 is the cost profit. Then
120.
selling price is how much?
120.
No, how it is 120? 220% of 100, 220 rupee profit. 100 is the cost price, 220 is the profit. What is the selling price?
320, sir.
320 is the
320.
selling price. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Then if the cost price increases by 25%, cost price increased by 25% means now cost price will be 125. Now cost price is 125, 25% of 100, 25 rupee cost price increased, 125. But the selling price remains the same. So selling price is 320 only now. Selling price is 320 only. Then remains the new profit percentage. How much percentage less than the original profit? First find out what is the profit now. Now tell me what is the profit now.
195.
195. Now the question is, initially profit is 220. Now new profit will be 195. Even you can do ratio. If I do ratio, it will be 390 double 390. Sorry. Double. Yeah, you can do double. Yeah, you can do double. Both you will get same answer. 440 double. What is 195 double? So the ratio will be 44:39. So the question is, new profit percentage is how much percentage less than original profit? Less than. It is less. How much less? 5 less compared to original profit. 44 into 100. Into 100. I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Just check it once again. Is there anything wrong? Because I'm not getting these options. Check ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ. 125. Okay, correct. 1 second. Original profit. Here something missing. Anything? No. Profit percentage. Okay. If the article is 220 cost price, if the cost price increase, but the selling price remains the same. Okay, selling price remains the same. Oh, okay, here. Okay. This is important. Okay, here we did mistake, small mistake. It's right. Now tell me. Same method? Directly also we can do. Same method. The question they are asking reverse. This is not this. This only this. Think. 0.8. Same method. You do ratio. Same method. Same. You can do difference. But they're asking this. Selling price, the new profit percentage is how much percentage less than the original profit. Already we know this is 220%. We don't want to compare. Previously it is 220%. This we don't want to calculate. Previously it is 220%. Now tell me what is the profit. That only I need the asking. So now the profit is 195 on 125. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now profit percentage. Is it clear? Yes or no? See, previously I
Yes,
know
sir.
220 percentage. Now I want to find out what is the profit percentage. Then I have to find out how much more or less. Then I can do it. How much more or less I can do that. Now calculate this and tell me.
So 29%. See,
Okay, just solve it. Afterwards, I will tell how to do it. How much more or less, then we will do. Still not we have solved. First, find out what is the profit percentage. What is the profit percentage? You can cancel with 5 ones or this one because I want exactly here. How much?
156 it is. Sir.
Yes, 156 percentage. If you cancel this equation, you will get 156 percentage. How to find out? I will tell another way. See, 125 and 325. 125 is 12.5. If I need 100, here if it is cost price is 100, easy to calculate. You can multiply both the side 0.8. If I multiply 0.8, it will be 100. If I multiply this also 0.8, it will be 256. If I multiply that 32 into 8, 320 and 0.8 it will be. Okay, minus. Yes, it will come 8 2s are, again 3s are 24 plus 25 to 256. 100 is the cost price, 256 is selling price. Profit is 156 percentage. Initially profit is 220 percentage. Now profit is 156 percentage. The question is how much more or less? The less. How much less? Tell me. How much less? 44 plus 20, 64 less compared to 220. It is your answer. Compared to 220. This is your answer. I want, tell me everyone how much percentage it is. 22, approximately 30, it is not possible. Answer is 29 is a possible. Yes or no? Because 10 percentage is 22. 20 percentage is 44. Then not possible 30 percentage. If it is 30 percentage, it will be 66. But here I have 64, which means answer is very close to 30 percentage, nearest to 30 percentage. So answer will be 29. Is it clear? Yes or no? Artha aita artha aglilva? Please let me know once. If it is not clear, let me know. I will repeat. If it is not clear, let me know. I will repeat. Is it clear or not?
The question I asked.
Okay, question nodi. Question nodi. Innondsari question nodi. I will explain once again question. I will do completely this question once again. Innondsari explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Question ನೋಡಿ. For an article, the profit is 220 percentage. I have an article. I'm assuming 100 rupees is a cost price. I am selling that article 220% profit, which means I am selling that article 320. Is it clear first statement?
Yes, sir.
Now, if the cost price is increased by 25 percentage, now I am increasing my cost price 25 percentage, which means now cost price will be 125, but selling price remains constant. Selling price is same, which means 320 only. Previously my profit is 220. Previously my profit is 220. Now now the profit I need to find out. Now the profit is if I calculate it is, tell me what is the profit. 125 and the 320 difference. Profit is how much? Subtract and tell. It will be 1. How much?
195.
195. It is 195. But they're asking the new profit percentage. They're asking. They're not asking profit. In previously I wrote actually profit. They're not asking profit. New profit percentage. New profit percentage. So profit is 195 on 125. Yes or no? Profit percentage.
Yes, sir.
New profit percentage. New profit percentage is how much percentage less than original profit percentage. Original profit percentage already I know 220 percentage. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now I need to find out this. This I need to find out. If I need to calculate 125, whenever if I get, I want actually denominator 100. If this number is there, that's why I'm calculating. Otherwise, do it basics. Basics. 5 ones you can cancel. Otherwise, 25 ones. 25 5s are 25 4s. Again, 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. Remaining I have
5
4
9
nines are
9
39 into 4. That will be 156.
150.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
old profit is 220 percentage. New profit percentage is 156 percentage. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now the question is start. Old profit is new profit, compare how much less. It is 64 less. New profit is 64 less. That's the question they're asking. New profit is how much percentage less than the original profit. New profit is 64 less compared to original profit. Original profit is 220. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This is a calculation. Now I will do always like this. 10 percentage is 22. 10 percentage is 22. 20 percentage is 44. 30 percentage is 66. Then definitely answer is very close to 30 percentage. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But less than 30 percentage. Less than 30 percentage, very close to 30 percentage, answer will be 29. Is it clear? Alankrit, is it clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Chandana nimge and Tanu nimge.
Yes, sir.
I hope it is clear now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Just write down. Write down now. If it is over, let me know. Ready. Same type question. Data I will change. Model. Each module I am going to discuss. After over this, let me know. Another model will go. Another type question.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Yeah. See this. When same type but data is different. You have to read what is that 7, what is that 8. When article is sold at 7 by 8 of its selling price. Very important that. Very important. Tell me what is 7, what is that 8. When article is sold at 7 by 8 of its selling price, there is a loss of 37 percentage. What will be the profit percentage when the same article is sold at 19 by 12th of the selling price? Think. Method 1, method 2, 2 methods I can do it, but you try. First, understand question. What is that 8? What is that 12? Very simple question. First question would be telling. First question would be,
Price, sir.
tell me what is that 8?
8 is selling price.
What is that 7 then? Selling price only. Both are selling price. See, the meaning is,
Yes, sir.
initially you are selling one article 8 rupees. Starting ಅಲ್ಲಿ one article na 8 rupees sell ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ starting ಅಲ್ಲಿ. But now I am selling that same article instead of 8 rupees 7 rupees. That is the meaning of that. 7 by 8 of the initial selling price. So this initial selling price is 8 rupees. Now I am selling that article instead of 8 rupees 7 rupees. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Then I got actually loss 37 percentage. Fine. What will be the profit percentage when the same article selling 19 by 12? What is that 19? What is that 12? Tell me now. What is that 19? What is that 12? 12 line.
Selling price.
Initial or final? This 12 is. Is the initial Another selling price, SP2 will be 19. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
See, very simple fractional ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Very simple fractional ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay, fractional ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So A is to B, B is to C. I want to make it B constant. Selling price should be constant here. 8 and 12 LCM will be 24. So here I need 24 means I have to multiply it with 3. Here I need 24 means I have to multiply it with 2. So 19 2s are 38. 8 3s are 24. 3 7s are 21. Now think how to solve. Almost I solved. Now read question and think. Previously, how much loss? Now, how much profit? That is the question here. Very simple. You try. Very simple. It is very important question. It's the one of the main question. I will solve. Don't worry. Once again. I'll show you. Don't worry. Once again. Okay. Shall I solve? Once again.
Yes, sir.
Think in 1 minute. I will give time. Think question is ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ tough. Language is tough. ನೋಡಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಮೆಥಡ್ I will show you. See, first time I'm selling that article 24. First time I'm selling the one article 24. Second time, instead of 24, I'm selling one article 21 rupee. So I'm getting loss. How much loss are you getting? 37. See, first time you are selling one article 21 rupee. That's why you are getting loss. How much loss? 37% loss, which means you are selling that article 63%. Yes or no? Reply all.
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
you are selling, it is 21, it is selling price. It is selling price. 21% is the selling price, or 21 parts is the selling price. You are getting loss 37% means you are selling that article 63%. Next time you are selling, instead of 24, you are selling 38. Next time you are selling one article 38. How much percentage profit or loss you will get? 21, how many times 63? 21 3 times 63. Then 38, how many times? 38 into 3. 38 into 3, 90 plus 24, 114%. Yes or no? Cross multiplication. See, ಇದೇ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನಾನು ಬರೆಯೋ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್. 21 parts is equal to 63%. What is 38 parts? How much? ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಾನು. If you do cross multiplication, you will get 114. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Please reply
Yes,
all.
sir.
Everyone, is it clear? ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. One more time I will do it. Complete question ಓದಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ. See, understand clearly. Just once again I will repeat. Just understand. Everything is related to selling price. Everything is related to selling price. Comparison also selling price. When an article is sold at 7/8 of its selling price, which means initially I have one article, I'm selling that initially I'm selling 8 rupee. Instead of 8 rupee, now first time selling price, second time selling price, SP1, SP2. SP2 will be 7. Is it clear? From this statement, everyone understand this? Instead of 8 rupee, I'm selling at that article 7 rupee. Is it clear? See, always
Yes, sir.
denominator will be initial value, numerator will be final value. It may be increased or decreased. Okay, now this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now there is a loss of 37%. Loss of 37% means you are selling that article 63%. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 7 ರೂಪಿಗೆ ಮಾರಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ 63 ರೂಪಿ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. 63 ಗೆ ಮಾರಿದ್ರ 7 parts is equal to 63 actually. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, this according to this statement, 37% loss means what I have tried it. Selling price is 63%. Initially, first time ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. Second time, I'm selling that article 19/12, which means if first time selling is 12, instead of 12, now I'm selling that article 19, which means SP3. Third time. This price should be constant because it is the initial selling price. It is the initial selling price, second time selling price, third time selling price. I want this number constant, so I will multiply because A is to B, B is to C. I will multiply here with 2. I hope till this everyone clear. Let me know. It is 38, it is 24, it is 21. Till this, is it clear everyone? You can forget about this, forget about everything.
Yes.
Forget about everything. Now only observe this value. I have an article I'm selling. Actually, I have to sell 24 rupee, but first time I'm selling 21, so I got loss. How much got loss? 37% loss, which means I'm selling that article 63%. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Which means here 63% is the selling price. This is equal to this. 21 parts is equal to 63%. Here instead of 24, I'm selling that article 38. Now I need to find out 38 parts how much percentage. If I solve that equation, I will get 114%. Always cost price will be 100, selling price is 114%. Then what is profit? Answer will be 14%. Is it clear now? Everyone reply if it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Write on this. See, the data they will give very tough sometimes. You have to understand properly that. Comparing with selling price. I'm selling one article 37%. It is equal to 7 parts actually. I will tell another ways if you're not understanding this also. Okay, another way. This is completely explained. Another way. See now, I am selling one article 7/8. That's why I'm getting loss. How much loss? 37% loss, which means you are selling that article 63%. Actually 8 ರೂಪಿಗೆ ಮಾರಿದಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ 7 ರೂಪಿಗೆ ಮಾರಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. 7 parts is equal to 63 means 1 part is equal to 9, 8 parts is equal to 7 9s. Yeah, 37 63. 7 parts is equal to 63. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then 1 part is 8 parts is equal to how much? 7 parts is equal to 63. 8 parts is equal to how much? First find out. 7 1s are 7 9s are 9 8s are 72. 72. 8 parts. Again you can calculate 12 parts is equal to 72. 19 parts ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. You can do like this also. ಇದು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. This is we don't want. ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಬೇಡ, ಆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದೇ ಈಸಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. This is again we have to do calculation. I hope it is clear now. ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
It is easy, not so difficult. Okay. Same type question, small change data. Data is tough in exam point of view. This is all previous year exams questions. Right on this. Online I will take 1 hour only, not 2 hours, because online is not so effective. Online I will take 1 hour. Another few minutes. Last type question. Think this question. The price of two article in the ratio 5:8. If the price of the first article is increased by X percentage and that of order is decreased by 30%, the new price of the A and B will be the ratio 17:14, the value of X. Very important question. Think. The price of two article ratio 5:8. Two articles I have. The price is 5:8. You can assume 500, 800, 50, whatever. If the price of the first article is increased by X percentage and that of the order is decreased by 30%, the new price of the A and B will be 17:14. Think. I think second order adu oka question idu, this is that of second order is decrease. Illi ಒಂದು ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. That of second order ಇದು ದ ಅಲ್ಲ, that of the ಅಲ್ಲ, second order. That of the other ಇದು other. That of the other order ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು other is decreased and the second one is decreased. ಮಾಡಿ ಈಸಿನೇ ಇದೆ, ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎರಡು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್. ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಸ್ 5 ರೂಪಿ, ಅನದರ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಸ್ 8 ರೂಪಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ X percentage, that I don't know. Second one increased by decreased by 30%. Decreased by 30%. So 30% of 8 is very difficult to calculate. So I am writing this like this. Is it clear? Is it clear? Can I write like that also? I can write. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now 30% of 80, 24 rupee decreased. 24 rupee decrease means now it will be 56 rupee. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
the ratio will be 17:5. After decreasing this, the ratio become 17:14. Now I can write 14 parts is equal to 56. 14 fours are 17 fours are 68. Now how much increase? That is a question here. Okay, 50 initially, now it is 68, means 18 is increased on 50 into 100. 38%. Very simple question. See, understand agurgo ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಿಮಗೆ difficult. Once you understand, it is clear. I hope it is clear now.
Yes, sir.
Read question
Yes,
once
sir.
again. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Just read question once again. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Just write down. One more, I think I have this format question. Then next model. Another 3 models are there. Another 2 class maximum it will take. This question will last. So we'll end this session now.